Hey guys, Mark from Lister Motorsports. As promised, video number 2 of the 1959 T-Bird. This interior was just done by a gentleman here in Troutman, North Carolina. It is gorgeous. I'd say twice the money we're asking for this car was spent on it. So someone's going to get a hell of a deal. Get this door panel. They don't make them like this anymore. I mean, look at that. Just beautiful. Get around the trunk. Hear this nice throaty exhaust too. All stock, no cam, no nothing. Just a nice driver to the car shows. Take your wife for a ride. Nice smooth car. Nice and straight. Interior is gorgeous. It smells beautiful in here. I wish you guys could smell it. We'll get under the hood in a second. Beautiful leather. Look at that. Shuts like a bank vault. Factory AC. I forgot to mention that in the first video. Power windows, AC, very rare option car. Very original car too. There's your AC compressor. No leaks, no issues. Again, my number is 704-508-2150. Give me a yell. We can ship this worldwide. We can ship this anywhere in the world and have this in your driveway or garage. Website is buyasoutherncar.com or Lister Motorsports. She's a beauty. Okay guys, thanks for looking. Over and out.